order to do this slide transition on CueCut Pro or CueCut, you guys can use whichever one. CueCut is free, but you need you have a watermark, but if you don't want the watermark, you can get CueCut Pro. Anyway, so what you guys are going to want to do is split your clip where you want the transition to be, and then you're going to double tap on the image, so it's going to look like this, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to move it over to the left so that it's just lined up on the left side of your screen. And then what you're going to do is put your blue dotted line at the beginning of that clip, go to the magic wand, the plus, and then add custom transition, and you're going to move this clip in to your screen as straight as possible and make sure that none of the white is showing. That's what I'm doing here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go back and you're going to take this and you're going to line up the blue part. If you guys can see it, it's like right from here to here. You're going to line that up with the clip before, so that when it plays, it's going to look like this.
Return them, and it's like,
and she was just
so that when you get that slide effect when it goes over. Then all you have to do is just save the clip. So in order to get this other transition, what you're going to want to do is just do the similar thing, but what you're going to do is instead of moving your clip to the left, you're just going to move it up on your screen so that it's up here. Then what you're going to do is go to that magic wand again, the plus button, and then you're going to go to custom transition. And you're just going to move that clip down, like I said, as straight as possible so that it lines up. And so then what you're going to do is just get out of that, and then you're going to line it up with the clip before that. Oops. With the clip before that. And so when it plays, it's going to
return them, and it's like,
she was
so then you get that similar slide transition that was in the other one. But you just got to be careful about like having it in straight lines and stuff so that the white from the background